In this video, I'm going to share my experience in using the Samsung Tab A7 Lite tablet to run Fly DJI app. I received positive feedback about using this tablet, but another feedback is the lack of brightness. I worked around that issue by making a tablet hood using paper, and that is very easy to do. I set the tablet brightness to max and also removed the adaptive brightness adjustment feature so the tablet stays at maximum brightness at all times. I tried it facing the sun and see if the reflection from my body affects me. It works fine. Of course, I always want it to be brighter, but actually it's bright enough for me. Now I move to a different position and have the sun behind me. This position gives me some problem. I have to use my body to block the sun and create a shade so I can see the screen clearly. And it works, even though my eyesight isn't that great, but still, it is bright enough for me. If the light is coming from the side, I can use the hood. Surprisingly, it works out very well for me. That's good. There's a report of stuttering. I agree the video is not very smooth, but it would work for me. And you can see in this video clip here. There are two applications running. One is the Xcorder to do the screen capture. The other one is the Fly DJI app.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
The streamed video may not be as smooth as you would like, but I'm okay to fly in this condition. The reason I got this tablet is mainly to run the DJI Fly app. It has 3 GB of RAM, and for less than $100, I think this is a good tablet. It is also bright enough for me to run it under the sun. Please let me know what you think about this tablet. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Landing.